Hello friends, I am Elaling. Today I will be discussing with you about WazirX P2P system. Let's open WazirX application. In right corner you will be getting a funds option. Click on that one. You will be redirecting multiple fund options. Click on INR and you will be getting deposit and withdraw option. Click on deposit option, my dear friends. Once you click on deposit, you will be redirecting to multiple deposit options. Let's see how many deposit options are there in WazirX. There are two options, my dear friends. First one is instant deposit payment gateway. If I click on this instant deposit, there is an enter amount. I am just clicking 100 rupees and there is a third party application is available, that is MobiKwik. If I pay through this MobiKwik, I have to pay 18% extra amount to that application, my dear friends. Now let's see second option, WazirX P2P. This one we are covering today. Now today's USDT price is 80 rupees, my dear friends. This one I can change it. If I want to buy at 80 rupees, I can give 80 rupees. If I want to buy at 81 rupees, then I can give, my dear friends. This is my choice because I am buyer here. I am just giving 16 USDT for 80 rupees. Just I am placing order here. Now let's look on this timing of this mobile, my dear friends. Now it is 4:15 evening. So I am just placing order. Once it matches with seller, means which guy wants to sell at 80 rupees, that guy will confirm. Then I will be getting a separate message and email from WazirX. Now let's see. Now it is time is 4:37. I got a message from WazirX and also I got an email from WazirX. Let's check that email also for confirmation purpose. So here I am just refreshing for your benefit. So just see here, seller matched for 16 USDT. Again, I will be showing you in WazirX application also, because we are just confirming it, because seller confirmed it. I am just clicking on buy INR with P2P. Here you will be getting option. And also I will suggest all new users to create your WazirX, free WazirX account using below referral link, my dear friends. You will be getting complete handholding support from us. Now let's see my P2P orders in right corner. Just click on that one. Open order is still pending, my dear friends. This open order is seller is confirmed. Now it is pending from my side. I have to just click on IMPS or UPI. I just click on UPI and yes, I will pay. I am just confirming it. I am just paying it. Now this UPI ID available. UPI ID I am just copying here from here and I will pay amount to this UPI ID. Once I paid amount to this UPI ID, I will be confirming to WazirX. I am just opening my PhonePe application. Whichever you want, you can open it, my dear friends. Now just as a friend, how you will send to your friend? No, similarly, you just click on to contact and paste that UPI ID and just verify. Just click on verify. You will be getting account holder name. Once you get account holder name, you can give anything you want to give. I am just giving here is WazirX Shamir. I am just giving anything you want to give, you just give it. No need to worry about it because we are directly paying to UPI ID. So now I am paying. How much amount is showed here? 1279.52. Correct, my dear friends. Now I will pay 1279. Just enter amount. Now fraction is not available, so I will pay just 1280. Okay. For what? For buying 16 USDT. I am just mentioning for your reference. You no need to pay anything in remarks. Directly you can just pay 1000, whatever amount is there, just to pay it. I am just paying from my PhonePe application. Once it is successful, I will be informing to WazirX team. So now it is successful. Now I have to inform to WazirX so that WazirX will inform to that seller. So I am just going back to WazirX application. I am just clicking on this terms, this agree terms and condition, and just I have paid. Just I am confirming to WazirX. So just I confirm my from my end. So now it is pending from seller. Once seller confirmed that he received payment from me, then that 16 USDT, that one holded by WazirX team. Because once he confirmed, no, then 16 USDT holded by WazirX team. WazirX team will release that 16 USDT. Means he has to confirm first. Now it is 440, my dear friends. So in my WazirX account, I will be showing here is no USDT is available in my dashboard. So nothing is available. Now it is 440. We will be checking after some time. so that I will be getting 16 USDT. So now it is 440 only, still it is an open order only. Once it is completed, then I will be observing this one in completed. So now let's wait for some time, and in meanwhile I will be informing all new users, create your WazirX account, my dear friends. If you have any doubts, please contact to this WhatsApp number for any queries, my dear friends. We are here to help you. So now let's check again after some time. Now it is 446, my dear friends. I got 16 USDT. So this one I received from that seller because I paid amount and he confirmed from his end, and that 16 USDT released to my account. So in with P2P, I will be showing you here. Here there is open order and closed orders. Now it is closed, means completed order. You can observe here. I hope you all understood the process, my dear friends. Please try with 16 USDT only, because see here, open order is nothing is there, completed order is it is completed. So new users, please try with only 16 USDT, because WazirX allows only 16 USDT for new users. That's why shown here 16 USDT, my dear friends. Hope you all understood the process. Thank you all for watching complete video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and spread the knowledge, my dear friends. Thank you once again. Thank you all.